Hey guys, it's Beth from Cantado Wellness, and you don't always have to work on your client's tibialis anterior from the supine position. You can do it from prone. So basically, what you're going to do is move your uh, arm this way, and you can get into tibialis anterior. You can use your fingers like I am. I like to be on the lateral side of the tibia, between the tibia and the fibula. Now, you could also come in and do this work with your forearms. I'm really using my forearm, not my elbow. If somebody had terrible shin splints, maybe I would use my elbow. But as I'm doing this, what I'm going to do is have my client dorsiflex and plantar flex. Generally, I just ask them to point and flex as they're doing that. So you can go ahead and do that. So point your toe and then flex your foot and continue doing that as I work across that tibialis anterior. All right, guys, I hope that helps, and I hope you have a great week. I'll see you next week on Technique Tuesday.